Well, looks like all the jammers are doing their regular thing. Being stupid. I mean, like, who does love life? Love life is so completely terrible. Parties? Really? I mean, those are some hot hyenas, but parties? Tea parties? And look at that little boy. He deserves nothing. All these cameras just show the same thing every single day. I mean, like, I thought that they didn't play violins. Like, they spend their time doing music when the phantoms are about to attack. They shouldn't be wasting their time playing violin for a stupid person's funeral. My shift is over. Maybe we could get out of this stupid moss wall. I knew stones were so hard to break. Maybe I can use this crystal to break through the wall. Yeah, that will work. But chow! It worked! It finally worked! Let's go! OMG! There's cameras of jammers. They've been watching the jammers. They're so beautiful. Oh no, these are all the places that they're going to target. Oh no, some of them are getting ready for battle. I must warn them now. Who goes there? Run! I must go warn everybody. I've heard of a place where Jamal lies, where I can get out of here. Phantom stones. Ooh. Oh no. How do I get out? Oh, they're closing in. It's a close one. The Phantom Fortress. They've already launched the attack. I have warned them about the phantoms. All of them are getting ready for battle. Let's see how everybody's doing. The city has been restored. I saved Jamal. Woo!